home. All right, let's switch to the other side of the
Yes.
table and talk bottle brush
In fact,
trees.
I'm going to bring him the bottle trees in just a little
bit
closer to you.
Okay.
There we are.
Yeah. So it's a set of 3. They're illuminated. The eggs are also illuminated on the bottle brush trees.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Beat you to it.
Excellent.
I've
job
learned
with
all
the
these from you.
No, $42. You get 3 sizes.
So our technical director
He's
upstairs,
going, oh my goodness.
Tom Quinn,
Here they go.
he's shaking. I can see you shaking your head.
He is. He said exactly. He cracks me up. You get a 5-foot, oh wait, is that 5? No, 8-foot, 10-foot, and 12-foot inch. She's looking at me like, foot.
I'm looking at you like
8 inch,
whatever you want it to
10
be.
inch, and 12 inch. I apologize.
We
Okay,
knew.
here we go.
We
I
knew.
know.
We
You know
knew
what?
what you meant.
That would be cool though. An 8-foot bottle brush tree. She's like, no.
Do not give me that
Don't
idea.
give our
unless
customers
you
any
really
ideas,
want-
right? We love the bottle brush because it really creates the scene. It helps to bring it together.
It does. It completes. In fact, let's pop this down. I do
Okay.
love this wonderful little new lace cake plate, but you can see here
The scale is
again,
perfect.
the scale is perfect, and you can put one in the middle. You can do one to the side. It works well with one house. It works well with 2.
Right.
It works well with if you do the whole
With
village.
3, and if you want to add
Ooh,
in a
bring in
little
your little bunnies.
bunny, you
set of 3.
can. Little bunny buns.
Right in here, bunny buns.
There we go.
We have to rename
So
these.
cute.
Next time you see
Bunny
these on air, they
buns.
will have a different name.
They are so cute. I love them. All right. Now, let's talk about the pedestals. So we're gonna, I mean, when you elevate something, what do? You bring it to prominence, and which is why